What's your name? What do you do? What's your father's name? What does your father do? What do you do? What's your mother's name? What does your mother do? Where do you study? I study in. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. তোমরা সবাই ভালো বলেছো। আগামীকাল আমরা আরো চমৎকার শিখবো। ঠিক আছে?